Also, a new arrival, the 68 Plymouth Barracuda Formula S Fastback. Now, this is a tribute.
Yes.
Meaning that it's in honor of the Formula S. It started life as just a regular old Barracuda.
As we say, no harm, no foul.
No harm, no foul, as long as you announce it and say it and make sure that everybody understands what it is and what it isn't. This is Sable White over red with a 344 barrel. Got an A833 four-speed manual tranny and the Sure Grip axle and power front disc brakes. This thing is really nicely done.
One of the best tail ends of any car.
Yeah, it really does. It's got a great look to it. It's like a boat tail. It's like a modern day boat tail or modern day in the 60s.
And that fastback thing. It's just great.
It's just really cool looking. So